Programmers Today, where we bring you the hottest tools meant for day-to-day coders. Easy, powerful, and boost productivity to the moon. Today we have a tool solving an issue developers have struggled with since the dawn of programming. Introducing Ruby, the programmer's best friend. Let's welcome our lead dev tester here to present. Now, when Ruby came across my desk, I knew we had something special, something that was game-changing for programmers everywhere. It's like the difference between carrying a heavy stack of books and strolling in with just a laptop. Let's dive into some of the issues current programmers face. Some of the major challenges that we can all relate to are our language is putting everything in a box. This is an object. That's not. All this running around of labels and categories. And then syntax. It's a killer when you're working on so many different projects and languages. You are bound to make a slip up, a misplaced semicolon, or a wrong bracket, and suddenly you're searching a million lines of codes for an error. And worst of all, playing memory manager sim instead of actually being able to problem solve and create what you want. Feels like you're the janitor of the school instead of the principal. All these problems, wouldn't you want one tool that can solve them all? Meet Ruby. Born in 1995 from the mind of the genius Yukihiro Matsumoto. He prescribed to one simple yet radical philosophy, programmer happiness first. Now you think this is just jargon for marketing, but he really did believe in making a language that felt good to use while still feeling incredibly strong. Now, these are just big claims, and instead of just talking your ears off, let's show you what Ruby can actually do. If you'll notice, the syntax is clean and easy to read. In Ruby, everything is an object. The number 5 can tell us whether it's odd or even. The string hello can shout by going into uppercase. Ruby has many languages. Ruby is an imperative language. It's clear, concise, and very logical on how it reads. As a functional language, uses elegant blocks to filter a list. Where other languages might need more lines, this is a nice one-liner of showing how to do even numbers. Ruby also uses dynamic typing and memory. Ruby infers that this is a string and that this is a number. Garbage collection happens automatically. Now this is what class looks like. Class greeter. At name, no type needed, dynamic typing is here. Defining a method is simple, and no return type is needed. We use string interpolation with at name. It's natural, like talking. Making a class is intuitive and easy. At name is an instance variable, and remember, Ruby has automatic memory management. It all feels like simple implementation, almost like talking. No complex syntax to trip you up. Just instantiate and call the method. Ruby infers everything, so no types needed. And calling the method reads like English. Here, this is how we run the file. Hello from Ruby. With all these great features, you might be wondering if it's too good to be true. If it's such a marvel and revolutionary, where is it used in the real world? Well, it's used everywhere, like holding up the giants of tech right under your nose. It's used in GitHub, Shopify, Airbnb, and Twitter. These companies didn't just choose Ruby, they trusted it to uphold the core of their business, and they were paid back immensely.